Welcome back to Road Ready Reviews. This is the Mercedes-Benz 280 SL Pagoda, a timeless symbol of elegance, precision, and effortless cool. Its iconic silhouette and refined stance immediately evoke admiration from every angle. Starting from the lower left, the clean body lines glide with grace, effortlessly guiding the eye across its handcrafted form. As we move up, the round headlamps set within delicate chrome bezels provide a nostalgic charm, while the wide grille with the proud three-pointed star anchors the front in confidence. Moving to the right, the long sculpted hood adds grandeur to the profile. Now panning down to the lower right, the subtle chrome bumper and integrated indicators echo an era of thoughtful design. Bringing it back to the left, you can feel how every curve and detail has been molded to embody timeless automotive art. A classic born not to follow trends, but to define them. As we move to the rear, the elegance continues with a design that's both restrained and bold in its expression. The thin horizontal taillights blend seamlessly with the flowing rear fenders, while polished chrome trim outlines every detail with a jeweler's precision. At the center, the Mercedes-Benz badge rests confidently, marking this machine as a symbol of enduring prestige. The single exhaust tip emits a soft yet purposeful note, more of a statement than a sound. Panning to the right, the deck lid's subtle taper adds to the balance and grace. Returning down to the left, the rear bumper curves gently, completing the car's stately presence with dignified flair. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of taste, legacy, and lifestyle. Step inside, and the 280 SL Pagoda invites you into a world where simplicity meets sophistication. Sumptuous leather seats offer both support and style, framed by real wood trim that wraps elegantly across the dashboard. The classic steering wheel with a chrome horn ring centers the experience in purity and poise. Moving across, the analog gauges deliver crisp, clear information in a design that stood the test of time. Now down to the lower right, the manual gear shifter and textured controls remind you that this car was made for true drivers. Finally, back to the left, the cabin captures the essence of mid-century luxury, where every switch and stitch feels deliberate. It's more than a cockpit, it's a space to enjoy the art of driving. From the side, the Pagoda's profile is unmistakable, a blend of lightness and presence that feels just right. The Pagoda roofline, gently concave and delicately perched, is more than a design flourish, it's an icon in its own right. Moving upward, the uninterrupted side character line extends from nose to tail, guiding the gaze like a brushstroke on canvas. Panning across, the chrome trim adds depth, highlighting its perfect proportions. Down below, the classic wheels with center caps complete the authentic, period-correct stance. And as we bring it back to the left, the car's low beltline and glassy cabin give it an airy feel, as if it floats through time. A sculpture on wheels, designed to move both road and soul. Under the hood, the 280 SL offers smooth, confident performance, engineered with the signature Mercedes precision of its era. The inline-six engine delivers power not with aggression, but with grace, responsive, refined, and rewarding. Moving up, the analog dials show oil pressure, temperature, and revs in a clear, mechanical dance. Across the center, the fuel-injected system was revolutionary for its time, ensuring consistent, reliable power delivery. Shifting to the right, the lightweight chassis and responsive steering provide a balanced, relaxed driving feel. And coming back full circle, this car doesn't chase speed, it defines quality in motion, effortless, elegant, and eternally engaging. Now let's talk about what makes the 280 SL Pagoda such an icon in the collector world today. Depending on condition and restoration, examples range from $80,000 to well over $200,000. Moving up, the enduring demand and limited availability make it one of the most sought-after classic roadsters globally. At the center, its parts and service network remains strong thanks to Mercedes-Benz's commitment to heritage. Panning further to the right, the value continues to climb as fewer original examples remain. Finally, coming back to the left, owning one isn't just buying a car, it's joining a legacy of craftsmanship, elegance, and cool. If you're ready to drive the coolest classic ever made, the Mercedes-Benz 280 SL Pagoda is waiting, refined, respected, and forever relevant. Enjoyed this review? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert car insights here on Road Ready Reviews.